Yeah, hello students. Let's start with the first question of partnership final accounts. So here is the question. This is a trial balance of Arun and Pandit. Date is 31st March 2022. Okay, let's try and understand the trial balance effects and the adjustment effects. Okay, so here are the adjustments. They have said depreciate building, plant, and motor vehicle. So let us do the marking. Here is factory building, plant, and motor vehicle. Okay, so they have an adjustment, so I have put a tick mark. So this depreciation on building, plant, motor vehicle. So it will be P&L account debit side and less from the respective asset, balance sheet asset side. Okay, next, provision for 5% is required to be made for doubtful debts. So let's search datas. Okay, so here are our datas, debit side, datas. How much? 90,000. Okay, so put a tick mark. So this is my new RDD. So this will be the formula. You can write P&L debit and less from datas. Okay, since I have told you about this formula, bad debts, we'll be using this formula. Okay, so I'll be doing the working note part later. Then I'll show you how to calculate this new RDD. Okay, for the time being, I'm just putting a tick mark to datas because it is having an adjustment. Next comes third one. Office expenses include prepaid insurance. Okay, so this is wrongly included. Now let's search for office expenses. Here, so I'm putting a tick mark here. Office expenses amount is 6,000. Okay, so this is prepaid insurance. So it will have two effects. Less from office expenses, which will be P&L debit side, and second effect will be balance sheet assets. Okay. Next, we will be calculating interest on capital and drawings. The rate is given 6% per annum. Let us put a tick mark on capital because it is having an adjustment. And next, drawings, 5,000 and 6,000. Okay. So this will be P&L appropriation and it will be reflected in your capital account. Next, Pandit is the partner, so he is getting a salary of 1,000 per month. Okay, so this will be reflected in P&L appropriation. And second effect will be capital account of partners. Okay, P&L appropriation debit side and partners credit side. Partners capital credit side. Next, unpaid wages 500 and salary 1,000 outstanding. So let us put a tick mark on wages and salary. They both are having an adjustment. Salary as well as wages. year. Wages for the year is how much? This amount you will take 15,000. Okay, so that 500 will be added here. और ये जो wages है, wages unpaid, ये trial balance में है on the credit side. So it will have only one effect. So this will be balance sheet liability. Okay, and wages paid during the year is 15,000, and this adjustment का 500 rupees of unpaid wages will be added there. ठीक है, so ये जो 500 rupees है, इसका भी two effects होगा. It will be added to wages trading debit side, and second effect will be balance sheet liability. Okay, same way salaries, how much is outstanding? 1,000. Okay, same, so it will be added to salaries. Salaries is in P&L debit, and second effect will be balance sheet liability. Okay, and the last part, stock on 31st March 2022. So this is my closing stock. It will have two effects, trading credit side and balance sheet assets. Okay, so this completes the discussion about adjustments and its corresponding effect. Then what they have said, profits to be shared equally. So there are only two partners. तो profits हो जाएगा 1:1. ठीक है, prepare क्या बोला है? Prepare a trading, a P&L account and partners capital accounts. Okay. And now we'll go to the trial balance part. 1:1 effect. This is my opening stock. This will be trading debit. Purchases, ये रहा 1,80,000. This will be trading debit. And sales, credit side. So this will be trading credit. Okay, goodwill is given in the trial balance. This will be balance sheet assets. Okay, now सारे trial balance का 1:1 effect. This we have already discussed, wages wala part. It is already having an adjustment also. Capital pay interest on capital hai. Okay. Freehold land. This is an asset, fixed asset. So this will be balance sheet asset side. Factory, building, plant, motor vehicle, they all are assets. So balance sheet asset side. Now see this. 6% debentures in X Limited purchased on 1st April 2021. What is your date? 31st March. Okay, this is the date, 31st March. So ये कभी खरीदा है 1st April 2021 को, the first day of the year. So this is my investments because it is purchased. So this is as good as investments. तो ये हो जाएगा मेरा balance sheet asset side 50,000. और इस पे 6% debentures बोला है, 6% interest. So let's calculate 50,000 का 6%. So ये कितना हो जाता है 3,000. ठीक है, तो listen students, 50,000 इसका 6% कितना आया 3,000. पर ये 3,000 में से मतलब मुझे 3,000 मिलना चाहिए बराबर. बट इधर देखो, या उसके नीचे दे हैव सेड इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड ऑन अबव. सो दिस इज एन हिडन एडजस्टमेंट. कितना 1,500. ओके, ये लोग बोल रहे कि इतना मिल गया है, तो और कितना मिलना बाकी है? ओके, 1,500 बैलेंस रिसीवेबल. ओके, सो दिस इज आउटस्टैंडिंग इनकम. ठीक है, तो ये जो 1,500 है विच इज देयर इन द ट्रायल बैलेंस, इसका एक ही इफेक्ट आएगा, दैट इज P&L क्रेडिट साइड. लेकिन ये जो 1,500 है विच इज अ हिडन एडजस्टमेंट, इसका दो इफेक्ट्स आएगा बराबर, बिकॉज दिस इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. सो दिस विल बी एडेड and added where? P&L credit side to interest received. और इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट किधर आएगा? बैलेंस शीट asset side. Okay, so this is an hidden adjustment. Make a note of this. I repeat, 50,000, 6%, 3,000. But we have already received 1,500 as per the trial balance information. On the credit side, interest received is 1,500. Okay, so trial balance का एक ही इफेक्ट होगा. So ये 1,500 जो है ये P&L क्रेडिट साइड में आएगा. लेकिन जो बाकी का 1,500 है, जो हिडन एडजस्टमेंट है, जो आउटस्टैंडिंग भी है, उसके दो इफेक्ट्स आएंगे. P&L credit side and balance sheet asset side. Next, debtors and creditors. Debtors will be balance sheet asset and creditors will be balance sheet liability. Salaries, P&L debit, office expense, P&L debit, and they both have adjustments. Manufacturing expenses, this is related to factory. So this I'll put in trading debit. Cash at bank, balance sheet asset. Drawings, okay, capital debit side. ये भी hidden entry है, hidden adjustment. Loan 9% taken on 1st 10/2021. ठीक है. So let's see इसका hidden adjustment. ठीक है. कभी लिया? 1st October. So October to 31st March तक जाओ. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. तो 6 months होगा. Correct? So 1 lakh लोन लिया है आपने, उसका 9% 6 महीने के लिए, तो 6 divided by 12. So let's do it on Calci. 1 lakh into 9% into 6 divided by 12. So my answer is 4,500. Okay. So I got it 4,500. Okay. अभी इसका 2 इफेक्ट्स होगा. ये आउटस्टैंडिंग है ना, तो एक तो ये लोन को ऐड हो जाएगा, ऐड टू लोन. लोन का आएगा बैलेंस शीट लाइबिलिटी. और दूसरा इफेक्ट इसका किधर आएगा? दिस इज आउटस्टैंडिंग, so this will go to P&L debit side. Okay, so there are two hidden entries, two hidden adjustments. One is the 6% debentures wala, which is actually an investment because you have purchased for X Limited, debentures of X Limited, और ये 9% loan वाला. Okay, so there are 7 adjustments and plus these two hidden adjustments. Okay, now let us see how it will be reflected in your trading account. So this is your trading account. Opening stock. $70,000 trading debit. Purchases 1,80,000 trading debit. Wages, yeah, right, iska adjustment tha. So see the effects. 2 wages 15,000 and then there is outstanding wages. Okay, so outer column it will be 15,500. The manufacturing expenses, trading debit, sales, trading credit, and closing stock. Okay, so let's total it. 3,72,000 plus 3,72,000 plus 65,000 minus 70 minus 1,80,000 minus 15,500 minus 18,000. So my answer is 1,53,500. Okay, so this is my gross profit. Okay, this is called as gross profit. This gross profit you will reflect in your P&L account. Okay, P&L. Salaries पे adjustment था, so I'm highlighting it with green. Same like wages. Okay, I'm highlighting all the adjustments with green. Outstanding expense, इसमें से वो गलती से प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस इंक्लूडेड है, तो हमने उसको रेक्टिफाई कर दिया. Interest on loan, I just showed you the calculation. Okay, 1 lakh का 9% for 6 months. Depreciation, building, plant and motor vehicle. I just discussed about this interest on debentures वाला concept. मैंने अभी बोला था ना, 3000 है, उसमें से 1500 ऑलरेडी मिल गया है और बाकी का 1500 आउटस्टैंडिंग है. See here, 1500 and 1500 outstanding. Okay. बैड डेट्स का तो आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो कि आप अलग से बैड डेट्स का फॉर्मूला मतलब वर्किंग नोट कर सकते हो, या तो आप पीएनएल में भी दिखा सकते हो. So see, it will go like this. Two bad debts which is there in the trial balance, but इस सम में नहीं दिया है, so nil. Add new bad debts or further bad debts, that is also not there in the question, nil. Add न्यू RDD, ये है क्वेश्चन में, 5% बोला है. ओके, तो किसका 5%? डेटर्स का 5%. ओके, सो आपका डेटर्स कितना था? 90,000 था, बराबर. सो 90,000 का 5% आपको निकालना है. सो इट इज 4,500. ओके, less old RDD which is there in the trial balance, the credit side. So that is also not there. तो कितना आया मेरा आंसर? 4,500. ओके, सो या तो आप ये पूरा फॉर्मूला लिख सकते हो ट्रायल आपके पीएनएल में, ये फुल फॉर्मूला. ओके, या तो आप अलग से वर्किंग नोट करो, जो भी आंसर आपको मिला 4,500 वो इधर रिफ्लेक्ट कर दो. ओके, जस्ट शो इट that you got this 4,500. Okay, so all the adjustments I have highlighted with green. So yeah, 1,53,500 plus 3,000 minus 29,000 minus 5,000 minus 4,500 minus again 4,500 minus 8,000 of total depreciation. So 1,05,500. ये बैलेंस आपका जाएगा आपके पीएनएल अप्रोप्रिएशन में. ओके, yeah, this is your P&L appropriation. Next, पंडित इज अ पार्टनर, उसका सैलरी. ओके, तो सैलरी रिलेटेड टू पार्टनर, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स. ओके, drawings का entry, all this is reflected in P&L appropriation account. Okay, so these expenses which is related to partners will be reflected in P&L appropriation account and not P&L account. Okay, तो ये पार्टनर का सैलरी, P&L appropriation डेबिट साइड, इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट पार्टनर्स कैपिटल क्रेडिट साइड. ओके 12,000 कैसे आया 12,000 1,000 रुपीज पर मंथ बोल रहा है मल्टीप्लाइड विद 12 months. Okay, so that makes it to 12,000. Okay, next, yeah, next is this interest on capital का एडजस्टमेंट. ओके, तो कैपिटल के बैलेंसेस कितने थे 80,000 एंड 60,000 बराबर. सो 80,000 का 6% 4,800. ओके, आपका अरुण का कैपिटल कितना था 80 बराबर. तो 80 का सीधा वो लोग ने बोला है 6%. सो मेरा इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कितना है 4,800. सेम वे फॉर पंडित. पंडित का कैपिटल कितना है 60,000. 60,000 का 6% will become how much 3,600. Okay, then interest on drawings. When the partnership deed is silent, I mean that means if the nothing is mentioned about interest on drawings, then you will assume it is 6% for 6 months. ठीक है, तो drawings कितना था आपका. So I will just show you about the calculation of drawings now. Okay, let's come to drawings part. Drawings में अरुण का ड्राइंग्स और पंडित का ड्राइंग्स. तो अरुण का ड्राइंग्स कितना था 5,000 और 6,000. ओके, नाउ डोंट फॉरगेट इसका आपको 6% निकालना है, वो भी 6 मंथ्स के लिए, और ये दोनों में एप्लीकेबल है. ठीक है, सो 5,000 का 6% इंटू 6 मंथ, दैट इज 6 डिवाइड बाई 12. सो ये हो जाता है 150. एंड 6,000 का 6% इंटू 6 डिवाइड बाई 12, ये हो जाता है 180. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू गेट दीज कैलकुलेशंस. हिडन एंट्री, आई मीन adjustments, 2 effects. Okay, so these 3 entries are reflected in your P&L appropriations account, and accordingly their second effect will be in the capital account. ठीक है, now 1,05,500 plus 330 minus 12,000 minus 8,400, so 85,340. ये मेरा नेट प्रॉफिट है जो मैं पार्टनर्स के बीच में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने वाली हूँ. विच रेशियो, इक्वल रेशियो. सो डिवाइड दिस विद 2. So my answer is 42,715. Okay, which will be transferred to capital account. Okay, so next will be your partner's capital. ठीक है, तो ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस तो दिया है क्वेश्चन में. कहाँ गया, या ये दिया है क्वेश्चन में ओपनिंग बैलेंस. फिर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल का सेकेंड इफेक्ट, P&L appropriations debit, second effect, partners capital credit. Okay, then salary ka second effect, P&L appropriation debit first effect, and second effect, partners capital credit. Then interest on drawings ka second effect, interest on drawings, P&L appropriation credit side, so partners capital debit side. Okay, और क्वेश्चन में ड्राइंग्स ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, ट्रायल बैलेंस वाला ड्राइंग्स, तो वो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल डेबिट ट्रायल बैलेंस वाला ड्राइंग्स. ओके, वन इफेक्ट 5,000 एंड 6,000. ओके, एंड देन ये जो नेट प्रॉफिट आया आपका ये वाला, इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट P&L अप्रोप्रिएशंस का आएगा कैपिटल में. ओके, then close 80 plus 4,800 plus 42,715 minus 5,000 minus 150. My balance is 1,22,365 और पंडित का 60 plus 3,600 plus 12,000 plus 42,715. Okay, minus 6,000 minus 180. So 1,12,135. तो ये हमारा बैलेंस है जो जाएगा बैलेंस शीट में. कैपिटल liability. And here goes the balance sheet. Yeah. Goodwill. ट्रायल बैलेंस का एक एक इफेक्ट्स और बाकी या एडजस्टमेंट्स का सेकेंड इफेक्ट. राइट, डेप्रिसिएशन का पहला इफेक्ट कहाँ था? पीएनएल डेबिट. उसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट देखो, कंसर्न एसेट से माइनस हो रहा है. देखो, प्लांट का डेप्रिसिएशन पीएनएल डेबिट एंड सेकेंड इफेक्ट लेस फ्रॉम कंसर्न एसेट. मोटर व्हीकल का डेप्रिसिएशन पीएनएल डेबिट, सेकेंड इफेक्ट deduct from the concerned asset. Okay, I've used the word investments here. This is your वो 6% debentures वाला. Okay, फिर ये देखो डेटर्स का सेकेंड इफेक्ट आरडीडी वाला. स्टॉक मतलब कौन सा स्टॉक? क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑब्वियसली. कैश एट बैंक. कैपिटल अकाउंट्स तो अभी हमें मिला जब लेजर क्लोज किया था. कैपिटल लोन और ये वो आउटस्टैंडिंग लोन हिडन एडजस्टमेंट विच आई जस्ट डिस्कस्ड अबाउट. ओके, तो ये जो अनपेड वेजेस है ये 8,000, ये ट्रायल बैलेंस का फिगर है. ये ट्रायल बैलेंस वाला वेजेस है. और ये जो वेजेस है 500, ये एडजस्टमेंट वाला वेजेस है. एडजस्टमेंट में जो 500 वाला वेजेस दिए आउटस्टैंडिंग अनपेड. ओके, so don't get confused between unpaid wages and this. Don't give one more effect of 8,000 because this was reflected in trial balance on the credit side. So this is outstanding wages and this is outstanding wages in the adjustment. Okay, definitely it has to tally. So 25,000 plus 30,000 plus 68,500 plus 44,000 plus 10,500 plus 50,000 plus 85,500 plus 65,000 plus 22,500. So it is 22,500 plus 1,500 plus 1,000. So 4,03,500. Let's see the liability. 2,34,500. Now you just have to add this. 1,22,365. 1,22,365 plus 1,12,315. So it is 2,34,680. How come? Let me check. It's 1,22,365. 1,22,365 plus 1,12,315. Why it's giving me 360? 1,22,365 and 1,12,135. Okay, it is 135. Okay, got it. I wrote it 315. Okay, so this is just a minute. One lakh 135. Just a minute. Yeah. This was the total that we were seeing, right? Let's edit this here. 2,34,500 plus 1,04,500. 1,04,500 plus 8,000 plus 500 plus 1,000 plus 55,000. Yeah. Okay. So this is the tally amount 4,03,500. Okay. So next lecture we will be taking up a new question.